students. Welcome back once again. So today we are discussing one more topic, that is, it comes under the project series, step-by-step guide for solar power bank and emergency light plus mobile phone charge. So we can name this project as solar-based power bank with emergency light and mobile phone charger. It's a very simple project. Everybody can do it. Anybody can do it from any grades. You can do it. Or other name, what you can suggest, or what I will suggest you, multi-purpose portable device that charges using solar energy. This title is also good. So this will be a step-by-step guide how to make this project. All right. Okay. Now, first of all, we will go to the first part, that is the block diagram. You have to understand the block diagram. So what is there in the block diagram? First, you have a solar panel. From solar panel, you are producing electricity, that is DC of this thing. It depends upon what type of solar panel you're using. A diode has been used, and then connection goes to variable voltage regulator LM317. That we will see in the practical when we go to the lab. From there, it will go to adjustable setup booster power module. That is, we are boosting the power. Okay, please remember, we are boosting the power approximately from 2 volts, 3 volts, or 5 volts. We are boosting the output power. How much we are boosting, that depends upon our battery. Okay, then we charge. After that, we connect that booster to lithium ion rechargeable batteries. You can use one battery, two batteries. It depends upon you. Okay, what is your requirement? Then after that, we have a connection, that is LED light array we can give, and the same time from lithium ion battery or adjustable booster, we can give connection to your mobile phone charger also. Okay, right. So you can understand from this. Now, there is a small description about the project. That is, this project is multi-purpose portable device. I told you this is a multiple-purpose portable device. We can name it. That charges using solar energy, stores power in a rechargeable battery. What does it do? Actually, what is power bank? It stores energy or stores power in a rechargeable battery. Work as an emergency LED light. Of course, when the light is connected, please remember, we have to use only LED light because it consumes less power, right? So we have to use LED light. Provide USB charging for mobile phone or other device. So through USB, you can charge your device, or you can use some other way also. That is, you can use micro USB and all. Right. So what are the components required? You can see here the main components have given you. So the first main part is you require a solar panel. Maybe it is a 5 volt, 6 volt, 12 volt, 1 watt, 2 watt, 3 watt, depend upon your requirement. Chargeable battery 3.7 volts, one battery, two batteries. If you want to connect in series, you want to connect in parallel. If 3.7 is sufficient for you, use only one battery or two batteries in parallel. If you want more than this thing, that is approximately 7 volts, 8 volts, 7.2 volts, or 8 volt, you connect in series. Okay. Then you have a LM317 module. That is a complete module where I've used this as a power supply. It's a regulated power supply that we have used it. DC-DC booster converter 3.7 volt, right? It increased voltage from 3.7 volt to 26 volt. USB output port female, okay, for output giving the charger, and LED strip, right? LED strip depends upon the power what you are getting outside. You can use accordingly the LEDs, right? Then we have used one switch also for controlling the lights, that is LED lights, because every time you don't require light, you can operate it. That means you can put it on and put it off also. Then some few of the diodes I have used it here, 4007, that is the rectifier diodes. And if you want, you can make it inside the enclosure box, some wire, breadboard. If you are making out a breadboard, okay. If you are not making on it, you need a PCB and the soldering iron. Okay. So this is the schematic diagram I've just shared with you. I made it on KiCad software. You can just check this diagram. I will be sharing the PDF also. Okay. So how does it work? I will just, I have already told you, solar panel, then it will come to the regulator IC, that is LM317. From there, whatever the output you keep it, it will go to the booster, then batteries, then to your one more regulator, that is 7805 constant fixed regulator 7805, and from there you can use the LED also, that is for light also. Okay, now what are the steps? Now we'll go to the step by step how we will do it. So first of all, you have to connect the solar panel positive output to the LM317 module, positive and negative output both you have to connect. Then you have to add a diode in 407 between the solar panel positive terminal. Please remember, this is very important. Forward direction you have to add a diode, not the reverse direction, because the reverse current should not go to the solar panel. So that is the why we are using this. Okay. Step 2, battery connection, that is 3.7 lithium ion battery to be positive and B terminal of the booster module. Where it goes, the 317 output, it goes to the booster module. Okay. Booster module, what we do, we connect the battery. Okay. That is the battery for charging purpose. Okay. Step 3, boost converter and USB output. You know that I have told you. So either you can use TP4056 output, or you can use the other boost converter also. Okay. Step 4, the emergency LED light you can connect from the booster output or from the battery terminals also. But please remember, you have to connect a switch in between. Okay. Right. Mount all the components neatly inside the enclosure. Then you have to assemble it properly. You have to make a drill and the fancy things and all, like if you want to show it in your this thing project and all, school or college or something, you can do it nicely and you can decorate it nicely. Right. Okay. The main part is, what is the application? What is the application of this particular project? Outdoor travel power bank, you can use it. Emergency light during power cut, you can use it. Charging phones, you can anytime you can charging phones, you can have it in your hand with the power bank. And educational renewable energy project. Okay, if it is a renewable project, renewable energy project from your school, colleges and all, you can choose this particular project. Okay, what are the advantages? Eco-friendly and sustainable, compact and portable, dual use, light plus charger, both the thing, dual use. Here we have given 3 uses. 3, that is light charging, this thing, charging the battery and using for mobile phone charger. Okay. Optional upgrading, that is the new ideas what you can do with this. Add a battery level indicator, you can add. I've shown you in the figure, you can add a battery level indicator in that, so that it enhance the this thing. So level of the this thing, the project. Use a higher wattage solar panel to faster charging. Okay, bigger panels you can use it, more voltage and more current you can use it, including a secondary charger option via all adapter. Okay, secondary charger means you can not only, if suppose in the night time you want to this thing, the battery goes down, so you can have a secondary charger, that is you can use the power supply through adapter. Okay, these are the things what you can do. I hope you understood this particular part, and let's go to the lab and check the things around. Okay. All right, students, let's start from the beginning. First, I'm showing you the solar panel. Okay, it is a 6-volt solar panel. This is only for prototype. We are making a power bank and emergency light. Okay, so from solar panel you can see 2 wires are coming. It is going to this particular circuit. Okay, this is the circuit. What is this circuit? This is LM317 regulated output circuit. So input, if you give 5 to 6 volt, if it comes over here, you can see here this 2 wires, it is coming from solar panel. Okay, it is coming from solar panel. So these 2 wires are input. You can see here, you can see the inputs, and this is the other 2 output. This is the thing, and this is a regulator where we can adjust it. So suppose whatever the regulator output is there, we have given it to the booster, that is your voltage booster. Voltage booster, like input, whatever you give it, it should be more than 2-3 volts, and output, with the help of this adjustment, you can take it as up to 10 volt, 20 volt, 26 volt also. Okay, the sufficient this thing will be there. These 2 connection, you please see these 2 connection, I have given it to the one connection goes to switch, another connection goes to the battery. You can see these are the rechargeable batteries. Now I have taken it out. Okay, you can see this will be 3.7 volts, and you will get this thing. We can connect in parallel also. Please remember, we can connect this in parallel also, right? So what will the parallel? It will be added up. Okay, so anyhow, so this 2 wires output, we have given it to the battery for charging purpose. The battery gets charged, right? Okay, so this
And second connection, we are given it to the board. On left hand side you can see I've connected one circuit here, and this circuit is having negative and positive. Okay, so it is going to the regulator IC. This is a regulator filter. Then for indication purpose I have given one this thing, and the output, two outputs have taken here. You can see here output is 5 volt, that is totally regulated 5 volt, so no harm to our mobile phones. So that is, this thing is there. Okay, two options we have given, two options are there. Okay, so what are the options? One is USB and another one is another cable. Okay, so now I have also connected one switch. You can see here one switch here. This is for emergency light. Okay, the lights are here. Okay, I have used the first thing, this first part, that is small solar panel, because we are making, our project is, we are making a power bank which runs on the solar. Okay, solar power, and show it to you. So you can see the lights are on now. Okay, right, but that is controlled by the switch. Okay, whenever it is necessary you can switch it on and you can switch it off. Okay, all right friends, let's check the voltages now. We'll check the live voltages. Okay, so first of all let's see what is the input voltage from the solar panel. Okay, so I will just check from this point to this point what is the input voltage. It is approximately 5.6. Let's assume it is a 5.6. What is the output voltage? We'll check here. So it is approximately 2.7 volts. Okay, so 7.50 is going to this, and the battery is getting charged. I will just switch on the switch here, and I will just try to show it to you. Okay, the lights have come. You can see the lights have come. Okay, at the same time I have connected from here, from 5 volt regulator I have connected here, and I will just see what is the output voltage. I will switch off the light, it's not necessary. So I will just see what is the voltage over here. So this is the negative point, I am connecting it here, and what is the output voltage? We can check it here. Okay, it is exactly 5 volt. Okay, you can see on this the meter. Switching it on, switching it off, the lights. This is the regulator circuit. Okay, 5 volt regulator. It is going to USB as well as this USB also. This is micro USB. This is the bigger USB. Okay, so you can make the circuits very simple. You can try it by yourself. It will not cost you more. The only thing is you have to learn it. Okay, how to make a power bank, how to make emergency light, and how you to make a charger, mobile phone charger, with the help of a solar energy. Okay, you can use another panel also. You can use different panels, the bigger size panel, no problem. The only thing is you have to adjust the voltage or both the boards. That is only you have to say, with the help of a screwdriver you can just twist it and you can check the voltages on the multimeter. Okay, you can check it on the multimeter and you can just adjust it, and you can make this, right, approximately in Indian currency it will be 200 rupees or 300 rupees maximum. Okay, you can finish this project in that particular amount also. The main part is learning. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel so that I can make new videos for you, so that you can learn. Okay, for this, since it's a project season, so you should be prepared to learn. Thank you.